How to customize Strapi admin panel. Follow the instruction. Create a folder named admin/src in the root of your Strapi project if it does not exist. Inside admin/src, create a file named theme.js to define the admin panel look and feel. In theme.js, export an object that sets colors, logos, and other visual settings. Add custom images like logos or favicons inside the public folder of your project. To change a default page like the homepage, create a file at admin/src/pages/homepage/index.js. Write a React component inside that file to show your custom content. To add a new custom page, create it under admin/src/pages and register it in admin/src/index.js. Run npm run build and then npm run develop to apply and view the changes. Thank you for watching.